Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello friends, how are you all? Once again, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you crochet handbags ideas and designs. Crochet handbags are a timeless blend of artistry, functionality, and personal expression. Handcrafted with care and precision, each handbag tells a unique story through the intricate stitches and textures that define its character. Unlike mass produced accessories, crochet handbags carry the warmth of human touch, each loop and knot formed by patient, practiced hands. These handbags are more than just accessories, they are wearable pieces of art. The texture of the yarn, the variation in stitch techniques, and the deliberate attention to detail all contribute to a bag that stands out in both design and craftsmanship. Handbags lies its depth, dimension, and the tactile comfort it offers. Crochet handbags often feature an organic natural charm. They reflect the essence of slow fashion, a movement that values sustainability, ethical production, and timeless style. Their handmade nature means no two bags are ever truly the same, which adds to their exclusivity and appeal. The rhythm of the crochet process creates symmetrical yet soft patterns, producing a structure that is durable while maintaining flexibility. These bags are versatile companions suitable for daily use, special occasions, or as standout statement pieces. They speak to a wide range of tastes, from minimalist elegance to bohemian flair, depending on how they are styled. But regardless of aesthetic, every crochet handbag radiates a sense of intimacy and individuality that cannot be replicated by machine. Beyond their outer beauty, crochet handbags also carry emotional weight. They are often made with love, passed down through generations, or gifted with personal meaning. Whether purchased or handmade, a crochet handmade bag becomes a cherished item, something that holds not only belongings but also stories, memories, and sentiments. In a world where trends shift quickly, crochet handbags remain steady. Their appeal transcends seasons and styles, offering both practicality and poetry in every strand. Carrying one is not just a fashion choice, it is a celebration of heritage, craftsmanship, and the enduring charm of handmade work. Every crochet handbag carries a sense of authenticity that modern accessories often lack. Nine. It's a quiet statement, a gentle rebellion against fast fashion and the disposable culture that surrounds us. In each stitch, there is evidence of time, patience, and tradition. These bags embody a return to simplicity, where the process matters just as much as the final product. There is something deeply grounding about the texture of a crochet bag, the way it feels in your hand, the soft give of the yarn, the firmness of the pattern. The charm of crochet lies not just in its appearance but in its quiet elegance. It doesn't shout for attention, but it captivates through detail. These bags often echo traditional techniques passed down through generations, infused with cultural richness and personal flair. Even when made in the most modern settings, they retain a vintage heart, a whisper of nostalgia wrapped in creativity. What makes a crochet handbag even more special is the invisible labor of love behind it. The hours spent crafting, the eye for balance and proportion, the instinct to know when a stitch is too tight or too loose. These are skills that cannot be taught overnight. They are earned, refined, and poured into every centimeter of the bag, turning a simple ball of yarn into something lasting. Moreover, crochet handbags have a versatility that defies their delicate appearance. They can be adapted to suit various needs, sizes, and purposes while still retaining their artistic essence. From daily errands to intimate gatherings, from quiet mornings to corporate evenings, these bags fit seamlessly into the rhythm of life. At their core, crochet handbags remind us that fashion can be both expressive and enduring. They are not just about trends or appearances, they are about connection. Connection to the marker, to the moment, and to a slower, more intentional way to living. These bags embody a return to simplicity, where the process matters just as much as the final product. These are very beautiful and very elegant bags. You can easily use these bags in casual wear, daily wear, and in special occasions. I really hope that you will love it, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching. God bless you.